Okay, so in the last video we went over most of the K sounds and give example words, but we did not give an example for the ko sound. And I had someone email me and ask for that. So, without further ado, here we go. The K sound, in fact, or the ko sound, I should say, although it's spelled K-O, and it sounds as such, but however, in English, most of the good example words that we could find actually start with C-O. So, for example, cocoa is a good example, this first segment anyway, or the word coach is also a good example. Again, this first part, maybe co-ed is also a reasonable example. Perhaps coconut, and let's say one more. Coach. So I will leave as an exercise for the listeners, anyone who can think of an example with the ko sound that actually starts with a K in English, actually has the spelling KO, that doesn't come from a Japanese word, of course. Go ahead and put it in the comments. Thanks.